Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in today. And I'm just going to show you three different bullets I have here for the 5.7 by 28 millimeter bullets that will fit in the 5.7. And these are just three different types here. The first one is the SS 195 LF. This is a brass bullet. You can see it is a law enforcement, they call it. It is a 27 grain bullet. It has a feet per second of rating of 2,300 feet per second. Okay, and it's a 27 grain bullet, and it hits with 330 foot-pounds of energy. This one here is the Hornady VMAX, which is a 40 grain bullet. And this is a 2,034 feet per second, and it's a SS 197 SR sporting round, and it hits with 256 foot-pounds of energy. This next one is your Federal, a Federal 40 grain bullet. It's actually a full metal jacket, as you can see, compared to the other one. Or the other ones. The other one has a plastic tip on, the other one just has a hole in it. It's almost like a small hollow point. This particular bullet is going at 1,900 feet per second, and it has a foot-pound rating of 324 foot-pounds. So let's get them, all three of them, next to each other and show you again. Okay, so this one is your standard 5.7 by 28 millimeter SS 195 law enforcement. That's got a little, see, it's like a hollow point in there, and that's a brass bullet. Okay, those are actually made in Belgium, and they're harder to get now, but that is a defensive round. The next one is your VMAX, the blue tip on it. That's 40 grain bullet, and that's made by Hornady. And like I say, that's 2,034 feet per second with 256 foot-pounds of energy. The last one's a Federal. It's a full metal jacket, 40 grain, and that's made by Federal Cartridge Company, and that is 1,900 feet per second at 324 foot-pounds of energy. So out of all of them, the first one is this 27 grain bullet here. This is hitting with 330 foot-pounds of energy at 2,300 feet per second. Then the next most powerful one you're going to be getting into would be this full metal jacket bullet here. And that's going to be 1,900 feet per second, and it's going to be hitting with 324 foot-pounds of energy. A little bit slower on the feet per second, but it is hitting harder. And the least, and this actually, in this middle one, is probably the most expensive bullet anyway when you're buying them. The American Eagle is cheaper. This Hornady, the VMAX SS 197 SR, is 2,034 feet per second. But it's only giving you 256 foot-pounds of energy. So as the energy rating, this would be the least, this would be the second most, and this would be the most. And then there's other rounds around you can get, other bullets you can really get that will, give you a lot more hitting power. But those are the actual bullets that this particular gun here would take. And that's the 5.7. Okay, so thanks a lot for tuning in, and I hope this was gave you a little information of different kind of rounds you can get. By no means is this the least amount. There's a lot more rounds. You're probably up to 10 or 12 different kind of bullets you can get, armor piercing, and I'd like to get like a customized little kit of them so I could show you what they look like. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and thanks for tuning in.